Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use topic reports in Waikay, and more importantly, how to turn those reports into clear actions using Waikay's action plan feature. If you've ever looked at AI visibility data and thought, okay, this is interesting, but what do I actually do with it? Then this video is for you, because topic reports are where Waikay starts becoming really practical. Instead of just telling you whether your brand appears in AI responses or not, topic reports help you understand how your brand is associated with specific topics, where you're strong, where competitors are ahead, and what to improve next. For this tutorial, I'll use HubSpot as an example website, but the process is exactly the same for any brand. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the platform, let's quickly clarify what a topic report is. A topic report in Waikay is designed to help you analyze how AI models understand your brand in relation to a specific topic. So instead of looking at your brand in a broad, general way, you focus on one area that matters to your market. For example, if I'm analyzing HubSpot, I might want to know how visible and relevant HubSpot is for a topic like CRM software, email marketing, marketing automation, lead generation, sales pipeline management. A topic report lets me zoom in on one of those. That matters because AI visibility is not just about whether your brand is known. It's about what your brand is known for. A brand can be highly visible overall, but still weak on specific commercial topics that buyers actually ask about. That's exactly what topic reports help you uncover. So let's say I'm inside my HubSpot project in Waikay. To create a topic report, I go to the topic report section and start a new report. At this stage, Waikay will ask me to choose or define a topic. For this example, I'm going to choose marketing automation. Why this topic? Because it's commercially important, it's something HubSpot should clearly be associated with. And it's also a topic where multiple competitors are likely to appear in AI-generated responses. Once I enter that topic, Waikay will begin building the report using its underlying AI visibility and association data. What it's essentially doing is analyzing how the brand and its competitors are connected to that topic across the AI ecosystem. And once the report is generated, that's where the real work begins. Now let's talk about how to actually read it. This is where a lot of people make the mistake of just glancing at the report, noticing whether the score is high or low, and then moving on. But the real value is in understanding the layers inside the report. When you open a topic report, here's what you should be looking for. First, overall topic performance. This gives you the big picture. You want to understand, is the brand strongly associated with this topic? Is it weak compared to competitors? Is it present but not dominant? Is it missing entirely? So for HubSpot and marketing automation, maybe the report shows that HubSpot has decent visibility, but is being outperformed by competitors like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or Salesforce in certain AI-generated associations. That's already useful because it tells us this isn't just about being known as a company. It's about how clearly the AI connects HubSpot to that exact subject. Second, competitor comparison. This is one of the most valuable parts. Waikay helps you see not just your own position, but also who is winning the topic space around you. So maybe HubSpot appears often, but ActiveCampaign is more tightly associated with automation workflows. Or maybe Salesforce is more associated with enterprise-level automation. This matters because AI models don't just remember brands. They build comparative associations. And if another brand is more consistently linked to a topic, that's a clue that they've built stronger topic authority in the AI's understanding. Third, topic level strengths and weaknesses. This is where things become actionable. A topic report can help you spot where your brand is underrepresented, underexplained, or simply not strongly linked enough to the topic. For example, HubSpot may be associated with CRM and inbound marketing, but not strongly enough with automated workflows, lead nurturing, behavior-based email sequences, sales automation, customer journey automation. That gap is important because if users are asking AI tools questions around those subtopics, HubSpot might not show up as strongly as it should, and that's often where visibility is won or lost. Now here's the key mindset shift. A topic report is not just telling you whether your brand is visible. It's telling you how the AI model has organized your brand in its internal understanding of the market. That means when you see a weak topic report, the takeaway is not just, we need more mentions. The deeper takeaway is, we need stronger, clearer, more repeated associations between our brand and this topic. That usually comes from better content, better topical coverage, clearer messaging, stronger evidence, and stronger third-party reinforcement. So don't read topic reports like a rank tracker. Read them like a map of the AI's current understanding. Now let's move to one of the most useful parts of the topic report, the action plan. This is the bridge between diagnosis and execution. Once Waikay has identified the topic gaps, the platform can generate an action plan to help you improve your visibility and association for that topic. This is where the platform starts answering the question, what should we actually do next? So let's say our HubSpot topic report on marketing automation shows that HubSpot is recognized, but weaker than competitors around automation-specific subtopics. The action plan might suggest things like creating or improving pages around specific missing subtopics, strengthening content that clearly defines HubSpot's role in marketing automation, expanding topical coverage around related use cases, improving supporting pages that reinforce entity associations, building clearer internal links between relevant topic pages, increasing third-party references or list style mentions around the topic. Now, you don't need to treat the action plan as a random checklist. You should use it as a prioritization tool. Here's how I recommend approaching it. Step 1, identify the biggest topic gaps. Look for the recommendations that address the most obvious missing associations. If HubSpot is not strongly tied to lead nurturing workflows, and that's a core subtopic, that deserves attention before smaller refinements. Step 2, separate quick wins from strategic work. Some action plan items may be easy to implement. For example, adjusting page copy, adding clearer topic language, strengthening internal links, updating headings or FAQs. Others may require bigger work, like creating new landing pages, publishing comparison content, building a new topical cluster, earning third-party mentions. It helps to split the action plan into those two groups so your team can move fast without losing sight of the bigger picture. Step 3, align actions to real buyer language. This part is really important. When you use the action plan, don't just optimize for keywords. Optimize for how real users ask AI questions. So instead of only thinking in terms of a head term like marketing automation, think about prompts like, what is the best marketing automation software for small businesses? Which CRM has strong automation features? What tools help automate lead nurturing? What software can automate email workflows? If your content and site structure help AI connect your brand to those real-world use cases, your topic report is much more likely to improve over time. Step 4, use the action plan to guide content and brand positioning. A lot of people think the output of a topic report is just a content to-do list, but it can also influence messaging, positioning, comparison pages, product education, PR and outreach, supporting proof points. For example, if HubSpot wants to strengthen its association with marketing automation, it's not enough to just mention the phrase more often. It needs content and evidence that make that association believable and repeatable. That could mean better product pages, stronger use case explanations, clearer examples, customer proof, and external references that reinforce the same message. So let me show you a simple workflow you can follow every time you use topic reports in Waikay. First, choose one commercially important topic. Second, generate the report and review your visibility, competitor strength, and topic gaps. Third, open the action plan and pull out the top 3 to 5 recommendations. Fourth, decide which actions are quick fixes, content improvements, or bigger strategic projects. Fifth, implement those changes on your site and across your brand presence. And then finally, come back later and review whether the topic associations improved. That's the real power of topic reports. They give you a repeatable process for improving not just general visibility, but visibility around the exact topics that matter. So to wrap this up, topic reports in Waikay help you understand what your brand is known for in AI, not just whether it appears. They let you zoom in on a specific topic, compare your position against competitors, identify missing associations, and then use the action plan to decide what to improve next. If you use them well, topic reports can help you move from vague AI visibility analysis to something much more practical, a focused plan to strengthen your brand's presence around the topics your buyers actually care about. So instead of asking, "Are we visible in AI?" you start asking, "Are we visible for the right topics?" And that's a much better question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.